प्रॉमिस मी वन थिंग।
तो 100 डेज है, 100% सही।
नीट का पेपर कोई भी बनाए
आगे के 30 दिन में बिल्कुल बुलेट पॉइंट्स में इस वीडियो से ज्यादा प्रैक्टिकल वीडियो आपको पूरे YouTube के ऊपर कहीं भी नहीं मिलेगी।
आपकी गवर्नमेंट सीट पक्की होगी।
2 महीनों में कैसे नीट क्रैक किया था?
250 मार्क्स तुम्हारा जरूर इंक्रीज होंगे।
2025 वालों के लिए तो बिल्कुल पॉसिबल, आसानी से पॉसिबल।
ये हमारा गहना है एक तरह से।
9 महीने के लिए तो मुझे एक चीज दे दो, मैं तुम्हारे नाम के सामने डॉक्टर का टाइटल लगवा।
Today is 10th August 2024 and only 9 months left for NEET 2025, and right now there are two types of NEET aspirants in the country, one who is about to start preparation and the other who have already started. Now, irrespective of a student's IQ concentrating power and retention power, only based on their personality traits, they're divided into two subgroups, doubtful strategist and confident strategist. Under this confident strategist, जिनके अंदर self assurity बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, focused होते हैं ये बहुत ज़्यादा, and they have an optimistic approach. इनके अंदर confidence बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. On the other side, doubtful strategists, they are very much insecure, analytical and indecisive. They cannot stick to one particular plan and they always question their strategy. Anxious होते हैं ये, overthinker होते हैं. This can be due to any reason. They can be congenital, it can be due to repeated drops, fear, pressure, etc. कहने का objective सिर्फ एक ही था. These two groups are mainly affected by such strategy videos. और इस वीडियो में मैं बात करने वाला हूँ 5 ऐसे scientific points on why you should stop consuming such strategy videos. कोई फालतू बकवास नहीं होगी, सिर्फ real talk होगा with scientific proof, and if you have any problem regarding any facts, the comment section is open for real debate. To the first reason, which is disruption of genuine study plans. Many of you are already following a structured study schedule from your respective coaching institutes, which is a proven strategy by expert educators, and that's why they are hired by such renowned institutes who are planning whole syllabus tests systematically for you. लेकिन फिर you came across one such video which disrupts that entire routine, causing confusion and anxiety. You start questioning your own method and lose track of what works best for you. In reason, dopamine rush and false sense of progress. If you are a NEET aspirant, you will experience this for at least once during your entire preparation phase. जहाँ पे सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा होता है, आप रेगुलरली 10 से 12 घंटे एवरेज पढ़ लेते हो, फिर अचानक से you come across a video जिसके थंबनेल पे बड़े बड़े नंबर्स होते हैं एंड कम से कम टाइम पीरियड लिखा हो जस्ट आपको आकर्षित करने के लिए, एंड यू चूज टू क्लिक ऑन द वीडियो, एंड दैट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ नो रिटर्न. बिकॉज उससे पहले आपकी लाइफ बोरिंग मोनोटोनस हो चुकी थी. हर दिन उठ के एक ही किताब पढ़ो, एक ही तरीके के लेक्चर्स देखो, एक ही तरह के क्वेश्चंस लगाओ क्योंकि आप रियल स्टडी कर रहे थे. बट वॉचिंग दिस वीडियोज गिव्स यू वेरिएशन, एक्साइटमेंट एंड डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ स्ट्रेटजीज which serves as a temporary dopamine rush at that period. Normally, these videos are not at all interesting. इनमें कोई dopamine releasing factors नहीं होते, लेकिन वही तो these creators take the advantage of the boring monotonous life of a NEET aspirant during the preparation phase. इसीलिए हर महीने एक के बाद एक videos with eye-catching thumbnails and motivational approach से videos upload की जाती है. अब इस motivational approach को explain करता हूँ. Normally, when you watch these videos, you feel motivated and pumped up, but this is actually a false sense of progress. Physiologically, it is dangerous. You become addicted to the feel-good factor of these videos rather than the actual grind of studying, which is much more demanding and less glamorous. Just think yourself. Normally, आप जहाँ पे 10 से 12 घंटे आराम से पढ़ लेते थे, ये videos consume करने के बाद you will feel like यार कुछ मजा नहीं आ रहा है पढ़ने में. कोई अगर motivation या फिर कोई spicy तरीका effective study का मिल जाता तो फिर बाकी दिन आराम से पढ़ लेता मैं. जबकि normally आप खुद से ही ये effective study कर लेते हो. लेकिन अगर आप एक बार ये वीडियोस देखने बैठ गए, you know that YouTube's algorithm is not weak enough to let you leave the platform before 1 to 2 hours. And after wasting 2 to 3 hours, उसके बाद आपकी guilt feel होती है and then you study for the rest of the day. So it is not actually the motivation but the guilt which is working. But sadly, बहुतों का तो वो भी नहीं होता. They feel like आज already बहुत घंटा waste कर चुका हूँ, so आज रहने देता हूँ, कल से पक्का पढ़ लूँगा. And these wasted hours compiles up. Number 4. Misleading titles and thumbnails. Honestly बताओ तो I am in MBBS third year and a creator myself, and I know that these creators don't have enough time to make these thumbnails themselves. They are either freelanced or made by individuals who haven't even appeared in NEET exams. Just to exploit trendy topics for views and revenue, they make clickbaity thumbnails. तुम खुद सोचो ना, लेस देन 300 to 600 प्लस मार्क्स इन जस्ट 45 डेज. एक नॉर्मल बच्चा जिसे SEO, एल्गोरिदम, कीवर्ड्स के बारे में कोई ज्ञान नहीं है, वो सिर्फ इधर पढ़ने आया था, क्यों नहीं क्लिक करेगा इस वीडियो पे? और क्लिक करने के बाद क्या
घूम फिर के आ गई ना मेरे पास.
Scientifically speaking, our brain needs time to assimilate complex information, especially subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, and the cognitive load theory suggests that overwhelming brain with too much information in a short period of time leads to poor retention and understanding. Another factor why these videos are addictive is because of their escaping reality approach. For any aspirant, their preparation phase is the struggle phase. और इसी चीज को ये creators target करते हैं in the first 1 minute intro of the video, जहाँ पे एक claimed strategy hype होती है जिसे follow करने पर you can achieve your dream scores. And इसमें तुम्हारी कोई गलती नहीं है. It's very normal for our brain after perceiving any information, especially something intriguing like a strategy or a new idea. It tends to think about it for several minutes, depending on how engaging or relevant that information is. Now during these 20 to 30 minutes or even more, instead of focusing on the tasks you have at hand, like studying or following your own strategy, your brain is daydreaming about this new information. It starts imagining the what ifs and the potential outcomes, which lead to a significant amount of wasted time. Okay, now summarizing, these Bhaiya Didi wale strategy videos provides you with escaping reality content, feel good factor, motivational approach, strategy opinions, misleading thumbnails to gain 5x more views than their average views. और बदले में आपको क्या मिला? Confusion, insecurity, anxiety, stress, temporary dopamine, resulting in the break flow of your study. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि every strategy video is useless on the platform. मैं खुद कुछ points apply किया था from Dr. Anand Mani sir's video during my preparation phase. And there are creators like Dr. Aditya Sanjay Gupta sir who share practical and realistic advice and no strategy videos every other month. They focus on consistent hard work and long-term strategies. But these days, it seems like every other NEET aspirant who got an MBBS seat is creating strategy videos. But here's the thing, just because these videos get views doesn't mean the strategy will work for everyone. And everyone is doing the same thing, bro. Why not choose to do something different? The internet is flooded with strategy videos, and while they might be getting views, you need to ask yourself, do you really want to do this? Or are you just doing this for views? So this was from the creator aspect. Now what for the students? See, if you want a real advice, भाई देखो, in this race of 720, 0 से 5 मिनट तक आपको कोई भी strategy video या कोई coaching provide नहीं कर सकता. It solely depends on your hard work. Yes, आपकी coaching इस line तक जल्दी पहुंचने में आपकी मदद कर सकता है by sharing guidance, structured plans, tricks from already made mistakes. So एक coaching institute को पकड़ लो और उसको religiously follow करो for the next 6 to 7 months. And once you hit that 500 mark, now you can spice up a little bit the methods of your study plan to provide an extra scoring edge to your preparation through the strategy videos.